I don't think anyone's job is keeping up with inflation. I don't think everyone gets a 2%, 3%, 4% raise every single year. I think if you're at a job like that, then you're doing pretty good. Someone that actually recognizes, hey, to keep these employees on, I have to match inflation. But what are you going to do when inflation's like 7%, 8%, sometimes 10, 12, 14? It really depends on your country, depends on that specific year. Some years, like the COVID years, they'll print more than other years, but on an average, it's between 7 and 10 in Western countries. So if your raise is not keeping up with 7 to 10% a year, then you are just getting poorer and poorer and poorer. And it's a sad reality to accept, a sad and painful pill to swallow, but that is reality. And so unless your job is keeping up with 7 or 10%, then yeah, your life is going to get harder and harder and harder. Everything around you is going to get more and more expensive. So this is where Bitcoin comes in. You start saving in Bitcoin. You start trading your payslip from dollars into Bitcoin, and suddenly those dollars appreciate 40, 50, 60% a year. Even on a bad year, drawing down, maybe there's some negatives, but you've been in long enough that you're profitable and in green no matter the drop. That's the stage you want to be in. Look at Jack Muller's. Been buying since $100, been buying since $300. He's been holding a large stack till this point to now his house is fully paid off and he's buying so much Bitcoin, not just on his company balance sheet, but him personally. Do you think it matters when Bitcoin drops 20% for him? No. He has been in profit basically since he started buying. So he's been in long enough that no matter the drawdown, it looks like appreciation of 40, 50% every single year for him. So that's the stage you want to get to. Maybe you're in year one of Bitcoin. Maybe you've only been in for a few months. Yes, you can technically lose a bit of money here and there, but guess what? Money has no value. And so when you have it in something that not only recovers from these dips, but explodes from these dips and beats all new all-time highs, maybe yearly or every few years, then yeah, it's going to be the best savings tool we've ever seen. It's the best money to be holding. So don't be scared of the volatility, guys. There's a lot of distractions right now with what's going on over in the wars and the chaos of America jumping on board. And yes, it's scary and it's uncertain, but there's so many distractions. Like COVID was a distraction. COVID was very fear. It was trying to impose fear on people, trying to control people, and it was also an excuse to print money. And so now we look at these wars. Wars need a lot of funding. They're an excuse to print money. And yeah, maybe countries do have to get involved sometimes, but the reality is it is all just one big distraction. Now, they don't want people to be confident in their financial future. They don't want people to save and outpace inflation. They want people to be basically slaves to the system, working 9 to 5 every single day until they drop dead. And then when they drop dead, tax them on their savings and what they've acquired in their life. So the system is set up in this way. And so, opting into Bitcoin is a way out of that. And the government can't stop it, a country can't stop it, a business can't stop it, and a person can't stop it. So you have that choice now. There's no excuses. Don't be scared away when they say Bitcoin gets taxed, because if you are getting taxed and you are reporting profits, therefore you're profitable. So you can only be taxed when you're profitable. So how is that a good concern? And you're the idiot if you're the one sending it to the IRS saying, hey, this is how much I exactly made. Here are all my transactions. Here's all my little bit of data. Here's everything you need to know about me. Now you decide how much I should give you because you had zero input. Get stuffed, mate. So be smart with your Bitcoin holdings. Don't go around reporting what you have, reporting everything and telling the world. Keep things private, secure and safe. Keep it offline. Keep it away from exchanges. Keep it away from all these people. Hold it in cold storage, hold it in a wallet backed by 12 words or 24 word phrase, chuck an extra passphrase on it, whatever you need to do, boost your security, because you're holding the best tool we've ever had for savings, as an asset, as an investment, as a lot of things. And so do you want to have this in 5 years? Do you want to have it in 10 years? Well, you got to take it seriously. So thanks guys for this video, but yeah, ignore distractions, understand what you're holding, and yeah, swap your pay slip straight into Bitcoin, because holding in dollars, you're only going to get destroyed. Dollars are 100% risky. Whereas Bitcoin, growing 50-60% a year for the last 10 years, obviously that's better than losing 7, 10, 12%. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.